The Enchantress of Netherwood, the Owl's Lullaby. In the heart of the Netherwood Forest, where the ancient trees whispered secrets to each other in the twilight, dwelled a being of profound wisdom and serene demeanor. A wise owl known by the name of Zephyra held residence in the highest branches of a 1,000-year-old oak. With feathers like silver mist and eyes as clear as the full moon, Zephyra was known far and wide for calming songs that sang through the night, a collection of enchanting lullabies known only as the Owl's Lullaby. One sultry evening, a murmuring started to ripple through the verdant expanse of the Netherwood Forest. The source was a tiny field mouse by the name of Quentin. Quentin had been traveling far and wide in search of the renowned Zephyra. The mouse's heart was troubled. Famine had taken its toll on the field mice clan, and their once vibrant burrow was now a place of worry and despair. Arriving at the foot of Zephyra's grand oak, Quentin felt a rush of awe. Taking a moment to gather the courage, Quentin squeaked a soft, pleading request to Zephyra for assistance. Perched high above, the wise owl's silver gaze fell upon Quentin. Zephyra's lullaby began, and as the notes floated down from the branches above, the tiny creature felt a surge of calm. The gentle melody was a promise of tranquility in the face of hardship. Inspired by Quentin's bravery, a chorus of voices began to echo from other corners of the forest. From the babbling brooks, the red salamander, Zephyra, emerged with a plea for help. The waterways had become cluttered and dirty, impeding the salamander's way of life. Zephyra, just like Quentin, was searching for the aid of Zephyra's calming lullaby. From the thorny brambles, the whispers of the fox family reached Zephyra. Fiona and Frederick Fox had noticed an unnatural shift in the patterns of their hunts. The prey seemed disoriented, anxious, and the once harmonious balance of predator and prey had been shaken. Realizing the magnitude of unrest in the forest, Zephyra knew that the soothing strains of the owl's lullaby must reach every creature, every rustling leaf, and every burbling brook. An evening of grand gathering was decided upon, where every creature, big and small, would unite under the comforting canopy of the Netherwood Forest and partake in the shared experience of Zephyra's melody. As the designated night descended, a hush fell over the forest. The eerie glow of the moon set a spectacular stage for Zephyra. Every eye in the forest was set upon the wise owl perched high above, a silent plea echoing in the calm night air. With a deep breath, Zephyra spread her wings and opened her beak, and out flowed the most enchanting lullaby the forest had ever heard. The notes danced through the night, a symphony of serenity that washed over every creature. Quentin, standing bravely at the foot of the grand oak, felt a profound calm envelop the heart. The words of the lullaby whispered reassurances of plentiful seasons to come, encouraging the field mice to not lose hope. Through the lullaby's elegant cadence, Zephyra, the red salamander, was urged to look beyond the clutter and find a path towards purification. The promise of clear waters and plentiful ponds lay in their united efforts to cleanse their homes. For Fiona and Frederick Fox, the lullaby conveyed the need for patience and understanding. The balance of predator and prey would restore itself in time. There were lessons of empathy embedded within the music, coaxing them to perceive their world through the eyes of their prey. As Zephyra's lullaby echoed through the Netherwood Forest, the effect was palpable. The swirling fog of despair and distress seemed to lift, replaced by a newfound sense of hope and determination. In the days following that night, a transformation swept through the forest. Quentin returned to the field mice clan with stories of the wise owl and the comforting lullaby. With renewed hope and determination, they worked collectively, storing food for the coming winters, and soon their burrow was once again filled with the laughter of young mice playing. Zephyra, motivated by Zephyra's enchanting song, rallied the salamanders. Together, they embarked on a mission to clear their waterways. Slowly but surely, the clutter was removed, and the water became crystal clear, glistening under the warm sunlight, a sight that brought joy to every salamander's heart. Fiona and Frederick Fox adopted a newfound understanding and patience in their hunting. The lullaby's wisdom led them to reconsider their relationship with their prey, restoring the harmonious balance that had once defined the forest's life cycles. Zephyra's grand oak stood tall and serene, a testament to the wise owl's effect on the forest. The enchanting lullaby echoed through the forest, a gentle reminder to all inhabitants of the Netherwood Forest that peace and tranquility were within reach if they listened to the wisdom of the owl's lullaby. The Netherwood Forest throbbed with life, a vibrant symphony of creatures living in harmony, a testament to the power of Zephyra's calming lullaby.